individual, when he sneezes, he should say Alhamdulillah. And the Prophet ﷺ mentioned, فَحَقٌ عَلَى كُلِّ مَنْ سَمِعَهُ, that upon everyone who hears him, he should say, يَرْحَمُكُ اللَّهِ. The Prophet ﷺ also, he mentioned, يُشَمَّتُ الْعَاطِسِ ثَلَاثًا, that you say يَرْحَمُكُ اللَّه when the person says Alhamdulillah 3 times. But if an individual goes more, or he sneezes more than 3 times, then the Prophet ﷺ mentioned, فَهُوَ مَسْكُوم, yani he has a cold, he's sick. So we don't say يَرْحَمُكُ اللَّه. Rather, as the scholars have mentioned, they say we make dua for him. Yani shafak Allah, may Allah cure you. فَإِنَّكَ مَسْكُوم, for indeed you have a cold. That is from the sunnah for an individual who sneezes more than 3 times. And likewise, the question arises, what happens if a non-Muslim sneezes? What do we say? Do we say, God bless you, may Allah have mercy on you? This happened at the time of the Prophet ﷺ, where they tried to act like they were sneezing, some of the non-Muslims, to get the Prophet ﷺ to make dua for them. But the Prophet ﷺ said, يَهْدِيكُمُ اللَّهُ يُصْلِحُ